This is CryptoKernels. I'm your host, Asa Kane. In this episode, we're going to be taking a closer look at Crypto.com's CRO Coin. Now, before we do so, let me first say if you're here because you want to learn how to make money from crypto, not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but one of the over 8,000 coins on the market today, make sure you hit the like button. As you see here, what this does is it makes it where anytime we come out with a new video, you will be notified. And also make sure you click the subscribe button that you see right there. In this way, you will ensure that you don't miss out on any future crypto kernels because we've got so much more to come very soon. Now let's get on to it. What is Crypto.com? Crypto.com Coin CRO is the native cryptocurrency token of Crypto.com, a decentralized open source blockchain developed by the Crypto.com payment, trading, and financial services company. Crypto.com is one of the producers in products in Crypto.com's lineup of solutions designed to accelerate the growth, adoption of cryptocurrencies as well as a means of increasing personal control over money, safeguarding user data, and protecting users' identities. The CRO blockchain serves primarily as a vehicle that powers the Crypto.com Pay mobile payments app. In the spring of this year, Crypto.com expanded the reach of the CRO platform into the non-fungible tokens or NFT digital art space. What makes Crypto.com unique? The CRO blockchain is mainly focused on providing utility to the users of Crypto.com's payment, trading, and financial services solutions. CRO owners can stake their coins on the Crypto.com chain to act as a validator and earn fees for processing transactions on the network. Additionally, CRO coins can be used to settle transaction fees on the Crypto.com platform. Within the framework of the Crypto.com Pay Payments app, users can get cash back of up to 20% by paying merchants in CRO and up to 10% by purchasing gift cards and making peer-to-peer transfers to other users. When it comes to trading use cases, the Crypto.com app allows users to earn token rewards for select listings by staking CRO. Additionally, users can earn annual interest of up to 10 to 12% on their Crypto.com coins by staking them on either the Crypto.com exchange app or Crypto.com's Metal Visa card. Overall, CRO acts as an instrument that powers Crypto.com's drive to increase the adoption of cryptocurrencies on a global scale. As such, the company is continuously working on finding and developing new use cases that will allow users to leverage the cryptocurrency to enhance the control they have over their money, data, and identities. Who are the founders of Crypto.com? Crypto.com was founded in June 2016 as Monaco Technologies by Chris Mazurek, Raphael Mello, Gary Orr, and Bobby Bao. Chris Mazurek, an alum of the Polish Adam Mickiewicz University, has founded and headed 3 companies prior to starting Crypto.com: customer electronics design and manufacturing business Starline Polska, location-based service mobile app and platform Yee, and the e-commerce firm Be Crazy. Raphael Mello earned his bachelor's degree in engineering from the PUC-Rio. Over his more than 15-year career in finance, Mello has worked with major companies in Asia and helped secure over $50 million in funding for the Insogo social commerce website. Gary Orr is a software engineer with over 9 years of full-stack engineering experience. Prior to co-founding Crypto.com, Orr worked as a platform architect at Insogo and co-founded the mobile app development firm Fories. He received his bachelor's degree in engineering from the University of Hong Kong. Now, if we look at Crypto.com coin, it's currently ranked number 39 out of over 8,500 coins on the market today. Its market cap as of September 15th, as we can see here, is 4.8 billion, and the price per coin is 19 cents. Now, if we look at the total token supply, the total supply is 30,263,000,000. Now, several million tokens were burned this year. Actually, billions, I'm sorry. Billions of CRO coins were burned this year. And now the circulating supply is 25 billion, which is 83% of the total supply, which means that only 17% are available for purchase as of right now, which is a good thing. That means that the coin has a lot of investors. And we can look here and see over the last month that it started out at 14, just under 15 cents. It's got as high as just over 20 cents. And now, as of today, it's back up to 19. Critical qualifying questions. Number one, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number two, what is its market cap? Number three, what is the total token supply? Number four, who is the CEO? Number five, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community? These 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each and every time you're considering investing in any token or any coin. Now, if you want to get some CRO coins, you can do so on crypto.com. We've got a link to them in the description of this video, and also on our about page. As you can see here, if you sign up for crypto.com, a free account with them today, you get $25 in free crypto, and you can use that to buy even more CRO coins. In addition to this, we've also included a link to Coinbase, where if you don't have an account with them, you sign up for one today, you'll receive up to $40 in free crypto, $10 when you deposit $100, and also earn an additional $30 just for taking some quizzes, which will enhance your knowledge of crypto. In addition to all these coins and tokens you're getting ready to purchase, you have to make sure that you protect them. Do not leave your crypto on any exchange for an extended amount of time. This is why we've included a link to Ledger. Ledger is one of the leading worldwide manufacturers of crypto cold storage wallets. It is the only way that your crypto is safe and secure. You move your crypto from wherever exchange you have it on onto your cold storage wallet. When you purchase a cold storage wallet, basically what you're buying is your own bank. I mean, there is no greater security as far as our financials go. One last thing I want to mention, when you do buy your wallet, do not purchase it from a third-party seller, i.e. Amazon or eBay, because if you do so, that means that you are not going to be the original owner. Someone prior to you has got access to your keys, which means they have access to your money. So don't do that. Now, if you've received value from this video and you want to contribute to the content of CryptoKernels, do so using our Cash App as well as our Ethereum link. Pick up your own CryptoKernels merchandise as well. We've got a lot going on here over the coming weeks. So much. So I wish I could tell you now, but I can't. In the meantime, get in the game and make it happen now. Until next time.